Doors closing. Ground floor.
Approximately 5 minutes.
Well, hello, it's John Neal here. It's Wednesday, 24th of September 2025, and as you can see, I'm at the railway station in Nuneaton, and I'm going to do a rail and ride. So I'm going to take the train to Rugby this time. So I'm going from Nuneaton, I'm going east, and it's about 15 miles away, so I can make a nice route coming back, meandering through the countryside. Yeah, should be good, which will be about a trip of about 20 miles, which is just what I want to do. Very kindly just had a chat with the one of the staff members on the station here, and he's pointed me to where I can access the train and get the bike on quite easily, and is more than happy for that to happen. All well and good. The ticket's costing me
Is not allowed anywhere at this station or on trains. This includes e-cigarettes and vapes. Thank you.
That's all right, madam. I wasn't going to. Yes, so I can get on the train easily there. Oh, the ticket cost me £9, by the way, which I will pay. All these rail and ride excursions I've done, nobody yet has ever checked my ticket. But me being honest, John, of course I will always pay. So it's £9 to get there. So somebody once complained that I went on it was 8 minutes before we left the station and got on with the bike ride. But it isn't about the bike ride as such, it's just getting out and about and showing you how you can do it. Oh, right, I tell you what, it's not so warm today. It says it's going to be 18 degrees, but I don't quite believe that. So I'm fairly well togged up, and I should be absolutely fine. Shorts, well, always can do the shorts. Yeah, because your legs are working.
Please remember to mind the gap when boarding and alighting the train.
Thank you. Who is this person? Yeah, so shorts are fine for a while. If it does get cold, yeah, I'll put something else on, but we should be okay. Right, so next stop, Rugby station.
This train will depart in approximately...
He wasn't hanging about.
Does not stop here. Welcome aboard this London North Western Railway service to London Euston.
See you there, mate. Thank you.
Platform.
Doors opening.
Here's the barriers where you get out, and I had to search on my phone for the e-ticket, but before I could even do that, the gentleman leant over and let me out. So yet again, not been checked. So it was out of the station and looking forward to a lovely ride through the countryside. What could go wrong? Well, not much. Oh dear, I've just come up that road, on the road, and I didn't need to do that. There's a 60 mile an hour speed limit. I should have come up this road. There are two cycle posts, so I should have come up there. And now apparently I've got to go along this way and up and avoid going on this main road as well. It's not easy following the commute on the phone, which is in front of me, and looking where you're going at the same time. Right, so let's, I won't say start again, but let's get back on track. Well, that didn't work either, and this is the only cycleway I could find which has a bike written on the road the other way up, and it ends just past this lamppost, and all you can do after that is to go back onto the 60-mile-an-hour dual carriageway. This is not good. Well, cycle track and then this bloody lot. Now, well, I've just come to this roundabout now. Look, full of traffic, and it says this is the cycleway down here, and it just goes off there, and I've got to go up there, which is back on this 60-mile-an-hour dual carriageway. It's no fun, and there's no way of getting off this curb and the next curb. It's crazy. Then this dual carriageway, which I'm stuck on, goes over the M6, and there's still no provision for bikes at all. Well, that might tell you this is nuts, and I think I've got to go over there. Here we go. So yet again, I'm hemmed in very close to this big curb by the heavy traffic, and there's very little place for a manoeuvre, and so possibly this happens. Fortunately, the bike wasn't damaged and I was not hurt, just a roll on the grass really, but my goodness, it'd be good to get off this road, which I do in about another 30 yards. Woo! Yes, I came across that on account of I was having to ride so close to the curb because of the bloody traffic coming by at 60 miles an hour, and the curb was, yeah, you couldn't jump it, so I got too close to the curb. I had no space on the left to keep my balance, and yeah, I just came off. Fortunately it was so grassy, it was okay. And now at last I'm on a quiet country road, but my goodness, I didn't need all that getting out of Rugby. Woo! Right, let's see if we can make our way along to nice quiet country roads. In fact, this part here, Churchover and whatever, is the area of countryside I've not cycled in before, so this will be interesting. That's a big van behind me. Here we go. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, from here on in, I know that I won't be on any major roads, so I should be okay. Well, this is all rather pleasant. Churchover, Arbor Magna, Ford. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. I've always liked a lane with grass growing down the middle, and this one's pretty good, just outside of Churchover, which I think is just over there. Look, down this quite lovely lane. And yeah, it's all cracked up and got growth. Oh, a Ford. Well, if there's ever a very disappointing looking Ford, this is it. I cross over the M6 and the M69 about 4 times. This is the M6, so here we go again. 12 miles to get home. Houghton, a mile and a half. Well, I pulled over in Houghton. There we are. This is a interesting building. Look at that roof line, love it. Oh, by the way, what's this big fella coming through for? I've stopped in Houghton, hopefully to stop at a shop and buy some lunch. I'm not desperate, I'm okay. But there is no shop. I just talked to a chap back there. There is no shop in Houghton, which is a pity, but there you go. Fortunately, the Denby Arms is open and they serve food. Let's go in. I am. Or some to eat if I can. Yeah. Well, I've made it into the Denby Arms, and I've ordered a fish finger sandwich. I think you get chips and salad as well. A drink. So I'm happy. Apparently this building is over 200 years old. They're still waiting for the records to confirm exactly what it is. Yeah, I've been here before many times. Monk's Kirby, nice little village. It's just stuck in the middle of, I wouldn't say the middle of nowhere, but it is isolated on its own. And that church out there is absolutely stunning. This is some footage I took in January of St Edith's Church in Monk's Kirby, which is the largest parish church in Warwickshire. It's a Grade 1 building and was built in 1077. And very nice it is too. Back in the day, in the 15th century, it actually had a spire as well, but it fell down, so it would have been even more magnificent back then. What a terrific building. Having fed my soul, I now feed my belly. Look at that, a fish finger sandwich. And those chips, they were excellent as well. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks. Having refueled in the pit stop, it's time to set off on the way back home. Well, I don't mind telling you, that was very, very nice. I mean, fish finger sandwich, who would have thought it? Lovely. Yes, very nice indeed. But the sun is out in places, but there's a very black cloud behind me, as you can see. So I'll have to make tracks and get going. I'm back on home territory now because I've been out to Monk's Kirby before. I mean, look at that. All of those clouds, the different greys and whites. There's a bit of a dark cloud over there, and I'm going that way. So let's head on home. This is a nice place too, look at this. Right, just up ahead here is the Fossway, and I just do a right and a left to get on and off really, and then it's on down to Withybrook and over to Wolvie, and then on the way back home. Yeah, home ground now. I know where I'm going. Yeah, it's been a really good little trip out this, and it was fortunate that it's a Wednesday because the pub is not open until Wednesday, so Wednesday till the weekend. So we must come back here and have a lunch. It was very, very nice. Right, let's see what's going on here. This being the end of the nesting season and breeding season for other animals, there's a lot of birds around, and their harvest have just been brought in, so there's plenty for these rooks to feed on. Quite a spectacle really. Then there's quite a straight, fast stretch up to Wolvie, but as you can see, there was a bit of a footpath here that I could occupy and keep off the road. And then on past Wolvie Primary School, where I first started teaching in 1974. Out the other side of Wolvie, along a little road called Bazard Road, curiously, there is Bramcote Barracks, and on the edge of the property are these bunkers that hail back to the Second World War, when the whole site was an RAF base. And here's another one as well. Ministry fence clear, and then directly opposite is Thompson Lane. You think, yeah, so what? Well, I've been here before, but I did a video down here and lost my shoe. But look at this. I have to say, a bit strewn with litter, but we'll not look at that. You know what, I think I'll sign off here. I'm just going down past the entrance to the Bramcote Barracks, and then it's onto the Lutworth Road and back home. So I think I'll call it a day, and thank you for watching, and let this car go by before I say you'll see me next time. Okay, thanks a lot, bye bye.